YouTube has been initiated. We're counting at 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We are live on YouTube. Welcome to the tubers. Hopefully my guys will jump on here pretty soon. We are looking live. You're looking live at the markets on FinViz right now. We had a hell of a day. S&P is up, NASDAQ is up big, Dow is up even bigger. Here's the thing though, we are selling off. So understand that is what the macro is doing. So I'm pretty sure we're going to see a lot of micros and small and mid cap stocks. You can see I actually bought some more options today that had to do with crude and financials. And we are going to roll with those. In fact, I cashed out one today. I cashed out, what was the one that I cashed out today? It was SB. I had an SSB call that was did well. Look at my CE call, the bounce on the CE. So with that being said, let's get started with YOLO Hour. We are YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. What's going on with my YouTube here? We're moving through here. Are we pulling too much? Let me turn off the TV then. Pulling too much sling. We're gonna move here starting right now. Hopefully YouTube will correct itself. SLCA grinding up hard. That's silica. That is oil and gas. Do I need to restart the stream? I do not know on YouTube. Sorry about this on TikTok. These are the problems when you go live. So error stream is healthy. It's poor stream settings. We should be good. Let me see if can I hear myself? All right, I am behind there. All right, we're gonna go. All right, USL, which I have. It is not doing a parabolic rocket, but I have calls on them. FCX was the one that I did today. That is Freeport Mac Monroe. They mine minerals. Most definitely they mine copper, and that's why I jumped on them. That went up 168% today. So good on me for that one. Radius Health. We're going to jump in here on Radius Health. RDUS. We're jumping here. We're trying to make a little money today. We're going to go 100 shares. It looks like it's a grinder, so I'll go a little bit bigger there. We're going to take Radius Health and see where we come out at. I'm looking at the stream on YouTube, and it looks like it's fine. So I don't know why it's giving me an error on the front end. But RNA is selling off. CHX is moving hard. Champion X, CHX. We want to jump on that one. It looks like it's a big grind, though. But give me the CHX. CHX. I typed it in CHX. Type with one hand most of the time. We'll go 50 there. Boom. Let's go. Let's get some there. The Champion X is a grind that could turn into a big rocket, and that's what we're betting on. There it is. Directly cleared the tower. CHX. USO is another option of mine. Look at VRDN. It may turn and run here. It has definitely cleared the tower. It's grinding up directionally. But we need, let's get through here pretty quickly so I can see the ones that are really wanting to turn up. AES may want to turn up here. That's going to be an interesting, you know what, I'm going to jump on AES really quick just so I know. Now, I'm not going to go big on it. Going to go about 10 is all. 10 shares that is. And we'll continue to move up through here. All right, what was that one? Did we miss out on one? CHX. Now, that was CHX. We already have a position there. They are continually moving up and to the north, what we like to call the northeast. So TTEK is turned over. BRN is turned over. DNN is turned over. RUN is turned over. That Sunrun is turned over. Curve is turned over. If you're in these stocks, you probably want to get out to and keep your profits. STIM is going rocket. STIM, we will get on that one. STIM will jump that FOMO rocket, that nice morning green candle. We like to call it the morning wood. I'm not getting very good fills though. There it goes. we got in just as it took off, and we'll see if we can control that one. At least the P&L take some profits today, get off to a good start. Yesterday I got off to a bad start. I was down 15, 16, 20 bucks within 4 or 5 minutes of the start. It's because I took a big position in what I thought would be a phenomenal rocket. SLQT turning over, DKS turning over. When I say turning over, they have hit their intraday high, and now they are directionally bearish. RMBL is turning over. NTEP, ASND is grinding hard. It's a flat grind though. We'll stay away from it for now. We're gonna move through now. Now we're gonna come back to one of these that are just a BOXL could turn into a rocket. A CVGI looks like it's pulled back some. It could turn into a rocket. Moving through here fairly quickly now. ESGC directly sideways. ADIL could go ADL could rocket. It needs to clear. It needs to go positive, which it just has. But it's got to. It's really got to go parabolic. But it's got to clear the into positive territory quite a bit there, at least 0.5% before we're going to jump on that one. CRCT, which is big meme stock, actually a big insider trader stock, is directionally bearish. Now it has turned over. XCUR has had a hell of a day at 7% up, but now directionally sideways. MITK has turned over. MXL from a couple of days ago has turned over. AEI, big meme stock, has turned over as well, up 2% still. XBio looking to run again. We saw it yesterday, and it may run again today, and we would be happy to jump on that because I think it made us a little bit of money, not much. I think I mismanaged it yesterday, but I think I got $1 or $2 out of it. RNAS, we know it will run, and the volume is way down today. The average volume is 21 million shares in RNAZ, and it's got literally 169,000 shares being traded. Makes no sense. Now, I don't know where Robinhood gets that from. Lex is going parabolic. Ooh, just turn. But we think it'll turn. Let's just get in there for 10 shares, just so we can watch it. LEXX. Come on, Lexaria. We're gonna get us 10 shares. I'm gonna pick it up a little bit. We're up 320. We got decent fills. We got MGI just went the wrong way, playa. What are you doing to me? We just went down 5. I'm going to take that one out. It's probably because but it is directionally down. Damn it. Got a bad move on that one. And then Lexaria just turned down too. Let me see where it's going to fill at. Yeah, we'll let that one battle it out for a little bit more. That's LEXX. It looks like it's on the pivot and the pullback, but we will continue to follow that as I get down here very, very quickly. Get to these again. We go over 400 stocks deep in this thing. Nobody's joined the YouTube. I don't know if we're having issues with it. I've still got a little yellow ribbon that goes across the top, and yeah, might be having problems there. So it might just be me and you, TikTok. Here we go. All right, move. SHIP looks like it wants to go parabolic. It is SHIP. We're gonna go big on this one. We got a good head start. SHIP. You know what they do. We're gonna go 50 here. Got a good fill there. Lex is still not filled. I want to see what it's gonna do though. Champion. On a good note, AES is directly sideways, and STIM. Let's see what kind of fill we get with SHIP. It is moving. It is about to be a literally FOMO rocket. Look at that grind. AES is only up 4%, but it is grinding hard today. It went from negative to positive at the open and has not stopped yet. STIM, we are already in. Moving through fairly quickly. Hoping you guys can see the screen there as we move through. I use Robinhood, just so you know. I use Robinhood to find the rockets faster, and then I use Webull to trade. Now, I do paper trade, so understand that I have to paper trade because of a lot of the same stocks go parabolic, so I don't get to write off my losses, and it's a bad deal. All right, Enzo, let's go. ENZO, let's go. Biochem, we saw this one yesterday as well. I believe it's going to grind up high. We are up $13. I'm going to cut AES because I just, for some reason, not believing in the hype that we thought that we had, the FOMO that we thought we had. Plus, I've got a 50, now it's a 10 share position. Champion X is running like a champ. Keep it going. We're at $5 with, look at it. Enzo's caught that morning wood, big green candle, straight up, that the girlfriend would love. All right, so here we go. We're moving through here. WPRT is now direct. It's turned over. We're looking at XCUR grinding up 7%. MITK is turned over. EVLV is turned over. RNAS is still on a rocket ride. Did I get a fill on RNAS? I did not get a fill on RNAS. What is up? RNAZ. Why did I not get a fill? Let's go. I'm going to be late now. Damn it. That's not good to not get a fill on RNAS because we're late in the game. Now we would have been at, I don't know. It was 274. It's at 284 now. So that's a 10% on 50 shares there. Got a bad fill. Damn it. It sucks. All right. We're still at $13, grinding hard here. GENI has directionally turned over. Great stock there though. Oh, we got one. Oh, SCYX, a favorite on the stocktrade.tips Telegram channel, is now was on a rocket ride, has done the pivot in a pullback. That's okay. LTCH is grinding sideways. We saw that one take off 2 days ago. REKR directionally sideways. Go again, up 7%. What a phenomenal stock the last couple of days. That is Go grinding up almost 8%, continuing to grind up, holding gains, which is great to see. REI the same way. Look at this stock. Ring Energy just that may turn into a rocket. You know what? I may buy some of that. REI. Let's take a little piece of that. We're just going to buy a small little. No, we're going to go 10 shares instead of 100 shares and see where I'm losing some money right now. Ship has not jumped on board. RNAS is continuing on a rocket ride, guys. We're up $4.50 shares in less than probably 2 minutes. Enzo still on the rocket ride. Lexaria, I don't know what it's doing. Champion X is up 7. It's my big winner today. For some reason, RNAS, do I want to take some profits here? I could probably. I'm going to close out 10, get that, reduce my position. It just went to 9. We're looking good. Ring got a bad fill. Ship is just, I don't even know what it's trying to do. It looks, I'll continue to roll with it though. All right, let's go back to the top. What's going on with I must have I've got some good options going. One just went green. What was that one? What did we just miss on this one? CHX is still moving up. If you're playing at home, CHX is a hard grinder up. It looks like it could even go rocket. It did not do it for us, but we reserve the right to jump back in for sure. All right, moving CME. If you're in that stock, is directionally sideways and holding gains. DKS. Dick's Sporting Goods is turning over badly. In fact, it is now directionally bearish, and that is one that you want to look at. That's a long-term stock, by the way. Not a Kathy Wood stock, which is interesting. Now, she didn't like a lot of retail, but I would think that she would like that one just because of space. Lex is going... It just does not have the volume. We're in Lex, or we got out of Lex. I'm not sure which one we did. ENZ is still going parabolic. Love to see it. Love to have that continuation. We are 12 minutes in and seeing some very good movement here. EBSB, not going to jump on that one. I think it's going to go directionally sideways. Did not have the volume that I thought it would. I'm going to move through here very quickly to get to the bottom of our stocks here that I know we're missing a rocket on. There's RNAS again. There's LEXX. We have positions in. Once I get to the bottom, we'll reevaluate the portfolio and the P&L. And REI is grinding. Just a great grinding. Oh, TMSDs are grinding up. It looks like it might even go parabolic here. And if you CERE up 5%, and it has not cleared the tower though. But if it does, we'll be there to help it out. BTB. I'm not. It looks like it's done a pivot, but it did rock it. If I had gotten down here sooner, I'd have jumped on BTB. Looks like some of the altcoins are probably. Congratulations if you own Shiba. It's up about 250 to 300% now. JNPR is directionally bearish and turning over. HITI is grinding up. That's been a stock for 2 good days now. You love to see that kind of what we're looking at here. LZB, what else? No. The Verb is grinding. It's grinding back from about 4 down. It's now positive 1. It's good to see some grinders there, though. LRMR Blade is grinding today. It was terrible yesterday. ALDX, another grinding up. Got a lot of green on the screen today. You love to see it, but a lot of it is turning over. Look at all the ARK funds are turning over. They're all up about 2.5%, but they're directionally bearish now. Tesla looked like it took. Is it going to take off? What is up? It went at 2 o'clock. What did it do? At 2. Boy, it's trying to take off. Somebody got behind that one quick. All right, that was almost the bottom. We had not hit the exact bottom, but we're moving that way. Continue to move up here. STEM, let's look at the P&L, see what we've got here. We're up $19. We've got SHIP. It's stale. I don't know what to do with SHIP yet. You know what? I think the overall it's down, so we're gonna get out of SHIP. What else am I getting out of Enzo? Is I don't even know what it's doing. It is even. Lex we saw is up. It's got a red candle now. We're on the 2 minute. Excuse me. We're on the 2 minute. Yeah, 2 minute. REI. I don't know why it's playing a little bit of a game, but I don't have a big position there. Enzo's the one I got to protect. I've got a 50. Let me just get out of Enzo and close that. And I think I'm gonna close Champion X to. Actually, I'm not. I actually need to be adding to it. Add to Champion X. See if we can get a little bit more beta from it. Actually, a little bit more alpha today. Because I'm pretty sure we're beating the market. With that stock. BBW is now grinding up. SOQT, we talked about it. A lot of grinders today. You love to see it. What is the macro market doing? The macro market is turning over, but we have some green candles towards the end, so it looks like people are buying this. What was a sell-off looks like people are buying what was a sell-off. So very, very good for us. It looks exactly what NMRT is doing. It was going sideways. Now it's turned up a little bit. Looking good. Not sure where's my analytics. All right, moving through here fairly quickly. ZNTL grinding up as well. Nice to see it doing its thing finally after about 2 months. NAOV, a good meme, and Reddit stock is turning over. GoCo is turning over as well. Not to be confused with Go Health or GoGo. GoGo is still grinding up. We need what's grinding down? EVLV is grinding down, guys. So if you're long in that, you may want to get out, protect your profits. It is going to RNAS, still on. It just doesn't have the volume, although it's got 5 times the volume today. Are we even in that stock? Ring, what are you doing? Just hanging out. I can't take that risk. We're going to protect profits. We're up $24. Let me see which one is moving. RNAS is moving. I'm going to actually add to that one. Add 10 shares to that one. Keep jumping on those winners. We're out of Ring Energy. It just moved too. Transcove Therapeutics just moved. All right, we got to get down here pretty quickly now. These 400 FORR grinding up 3% today. Congratulations if you're in that one. SNDL looked like it was grinding, but I went through it too fast. Visco, VSCO, is directly sideways. Isn't that? That's pretty sure that's some what is that? What's Bisco? That's not Bed and Bath and Beyond. It's the Victoria's Secret. Badoom. All right, moving through here quickly. CHPT is selling off, guys, just so you know. EYEG tried to sell off. Now it looks like it might be going sideways, possibly going to make a move to the north. Going green. RNAS is still doing its thing. Matt looks like it may turn. Wow, the guys in the chat are going to be happy about this one. MMAT going hard. Nice to see. All right, let's see what else we can get here. I got to go down here quickly. The thing I don't like about Robinhood is when you check on a stock, you got to go all the way back up to the stocks to watch, right? You can't just Lex looks like it's turned back. Let me get out of Lex if I'm still in Lex. I am in Lex. We're gonna take that one out before it gets bad. We're up $22. Champion X is wanting to pull back. What's the 3 minute? What's the 1 minute? It's gonna be a fight. RNAS is. I'm gonna take profits there, guys. I don't trust RNAS. I've got a 60 share. I've got 90 shares on CHX. It could absolutely ruin me if it moves the wrong way. All right. Looking at the P&L, we're up $24 today, which is kind of how I'd probably trade it if I were trading my own. Well, I went 90 shares. I probably would have stayed at 50 if it had been my own money. Just letting you know where my head's at, what my psychology is, were I doing this on my own. Got a couple viewers on the tube. None of them are shouting out anything, but that's all right. I'm gonna go here because GoGo looks like it wants to run. It was a great stock yesterday. It started to run. Go ahead and take a little bit of position there. We're back up on Champion X. STIM is doing nothing for me. We're gonna jump out of that one, closing that, taking that non-profit is what that is. Non-profit 0. I'm sure the fill will be back. Then Champion X looks like it wants to. It's a little bit of a pullback. I'm gonna take profits there too. As much as I hate, well, actually, I'm gonna sell 50. I'm not gonna take full profit. I'm gonna take a little bit off the table there. The chips. Now we are a go on the go and moving through here. CHX looks like it's moving back up. That might have been a bad move by me, but it's a hell of a grinder. I'm not seeing the rocket, though. I want to see the big, green, morning wood candle. That's what we're all here for, right? We want to get the FOMO behind it. We want to jump on the YOLO stock. Oh, NR, what's it doing? Ooh, couldn't clear the tower. Got turned back 9 times out of 10. It will get turned back, and we understand that. That's just the way it works in YOLO Hour. If you don't know what we're doing, this is not financial advice. This is no way to trade. If you've joined us on TikTok, I appreciate you, but this is no way to trade. Let me tell you what we're doing here. We're doing no due diligence. We're doing no research. This is not financial advice. You do not want to trade like this. This is the worst way to trade. All we are doing is FOMOing into stocks that are taking off in the last hour of the trading day. That is all that we are doing. This is not a trading course. This is not the way to trade. In fact, it is the absolute worst way to even do stocks. We just like to do it because it's a lot of fun. We do it for pizza and beer money, and that's what we do. You can and will lose money in YOLO, so expect it. SHIP is taken back. No, it didn't. SHIP turned. C Energy has turned back. It does have the volume today. 8 million shares traded back and forth on C Energy, but it looks like it did the pivot though, and we don't have. Champion is still rocking a little bit. We'll continue to hold on to it. I'm glad we took some chips off the table. We're now under 20. We were at $25. That would have bought a couple drinks tonight and a pizza. So cocktails, a couple beers for sure. And now we are moving through the 400 stocks we have on our watch list. Again, we get this watch list. Oh wait, ATNF. I like it, ATNF. It's gone off before. ATNF. We'll jump on that one. We'll buy 50 because I think it's just turning enough. It doesn't have a lot of volume though. Good God. It's got less volume than its average volume, which is not good. It just pulled back too. Damn it. All right, so That might have been a bad move on my part. Again, that's what YOLO Hour is all about: anticipation and then jumping on the rockets that are moving, that are fully erect. That is what we're looking for. All right. As we move through here, I do see some sell-offs going on. More sell-offs. Yes, and we're seeing a green candle. The FinViz, even the FinViz Elite, is about 5 minutes behind. Just so you know, on the macro. EBSB. Here we go again. Let's do it. EBSB, baby. We're going to take that one out. We're going to buy. I like the way it's turning. We're going to go 50 there. And CHX has gone back up. Go still grinding. That's all right. Maybe we should add to that position. I'm going to add to that position a little bit. I'm going to add to that winner. I'm going to take 50 shares more of Go because it's just not gonna stop. Now CHX Champion X Corp, it's still going up. I hope I got a good feel with Meridian. Moving through here now. Let's go. I got guys on the channel chatting up. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate you guys being here today. Teal Jones, what's up? What's up, Hall? What was that one? Arnaz, we already F'd with it. Lex is gone. Pivot and pulled back. ENDP is sideways. It's a good grind though. ENDP, if you're in ENDP, not a bad one to stay in. It has its time. I keep seeing ENVB called out by the gurus, but God, it's gone down for so long. You know, for like the last month, lost 40% or whatever you lost in that freaking thing. That's why it's very, very tough for me to get on Reddit and really get in the groove of Reddit, because you don't know what's going to pump the next day. Now, in the pre-market is where these are the kind of days you like. These are all grinders. Most of these stocks, guys, started the day either even or at a small gap up is all, and most of them were grinding up because the macro was right. And that's what you look at. Live ramp. It may have turned down here though. How much volume? We got more than usual volume. Does that turn back? I don't know. It's a good time to check the old. Yeah, we're moving. ATNF has gone the wrong way. Can't make this up. When I was had 50 on it, thought I'd get a good one on that one. And EBSB has done the same thing. I got a market value. Go is treating me right. Where am I losing though? I hate to lose money, and I'm not going to take that chance on $1,000 bet on a market value of $1,000. So we will move on. Let's go. Let's get us some more rockets. Let's get us some big green candles. Multiple would be great, but I just take one right now. I'm looking through here. Again, we use Robinhood because I can spot the rockets faster than any other platform. Go figure. Robinhood. What else we got today? If you're looking at you see that if you're in crypto, they're talking about stable coins today. FDIC may insure stable coins. That's the rumor. It's going to take a while, but that is the rumor. That would be phenomenal. That would open up crypto even more. There'd be far more adoption, even though they're stable coins. I get the 1 for 1, but again, you just want to get people into the system, and it's pretty sticky, as we all know. Crypto is very, very sticky, and once you get them in, they're probably not going to leave, and you would see crypto to take off. I would bet that's another, if you can get that done with the ETF, that's another $1 trillion onto the market cap of all crypto. So that would make it a $3 trillion market cap is what I would predict if an ETF and the FDIC insures stable coins. That'll bring a lot of people. That would bring probably no less than 10 to 25 million people more in the U.S. alone. Plus, you've got all the institutional guys that are trying to find alpha, and they know crypto's where it's at. REI is back to grind. It looks like it may have pointed down, but it looks like it's going to continue to grind. go. We're in that one. We're going to continue to stay in that one. That's very, very just a hard grind today. And that started at literally below. WTI is up. That is, I believe that's the Brent crude. We're going to go back to the top. Yeah, that's the offshore Brent crude is WTI. Let me see what's printing today. Both my USLs are up 45%. One was up 95% 2 days ago. So CHX looks like it's now turned sideways. That's fine by me because we're out of that position, and we're continuing to move through here. KLIC is directionally down. So is Lulu. It was very up 4%, and now just up 0.5%. Has fallen off and is directionally down. Could go negative before the end of the session. We are 30 minutes into the session, and we are flying high. RPHM, let's go. Let's see what RPHM gives. Now, the thing with RPHM is that it does not have a lot of volume. So let's see what it's going to do here. Spread it out. Oh, man. Come on, brah. We need you. We need you to go. Go has gone the wrong way. Got to get out of it. Preserve. I'm down to $12 now. Damn it. All right. CHX is directionally. RPH got a great fill on RPH. CHX. I'm going to have to turn it. It's turning down. Conserve those profits. We're out of those 40 shares. So really all we have is RPH. We're up 250 in that trade, down $6. We're going to hope this is going to run again. The volume sucks. It is 8,000 shares. Again, if you're getting a low volume, you're just not going to get the FOMO behind it. That thing it'll look like it's straight up, and that's where it's just going to stay, right? That's RPHM. What was that one? RNAS is pivot and pulled back on us. We exited that position as well. AEHR, big meme stock, up 18% today. Congratulations, bulls. You are winning that one. Look out for the sell-off in the last 30 minutes. You may take some profits there. At 15%, I move my stop loss up to even. It's at 18%. I would move it up to probably 3 to 5%, just so I maintain profits tomorrow. All right. Being said, we're still moving ADIL, which we thought was going to rocket, is now directionally sideways. TNXP could rocket, but it's got to clear the intraday high. Has not done that. TYME is grinding. DYNT is grinding as well. RGP is holding. It is holding profit or gains. We've gone to RNAS. Let me get down here to the bottom. I'm going to skip a few here just very quickly. AEHR we talked about. What was that one that just turned over? KERN is turned over and directionally bearish. It's about to go negative. If you're in that stock, watch it. SLGG grinding. WTI, we talked about it grinding. Looking for another TMST grind up 6. AYRRO grinding up 7. And Kayla has turned over as well. Moving through here very quickly. Looking for that rocket ride. That green monster, if you would. The morning wood. The hard on that won't stop. Get that FOMO and jump on the rocket. Let's take a ride. All right. That seems a little. Look at all those. It's all the arcs are going directly sideways now. They are holding gains for the most part at 2.5%. So that's good for everybody's long term. That means your micro, small, and mid caps are all doing fairly well today, which we can absolutely see on the screen because that's what we've got here, along with. Look at ramp. Ramp's going to do something here. I feel it. We're on ramp. RAMP. We just know the look. You just know the look. It's kind of like that girl looking at you across the bar. You just know the look, right? And you want to go talk to him. So we take a position there and we move it. RDUS is still grinding. That was one that we're in initially, but now it looks like it's more sideways and actually grinding. Take to Alpine. What a stock this has been for the insiders. We saw them size up yesterday on Alpine Immune Services. The volume sucks today, though. It's like 33% on an average of 200. It's not even going to get close to that today. All right, FL is directly sideways. Looking through here, XCUR looks like it is now turning down. It was holding gains. That was a popular stock about 3 months ago when we first started. We'd see that thing pop off literally every day for like four or 5 days straight. AEHR is going to make a move here, guys. It's got to clear the tower, but it wants to run. This son of a gun, it's got to get over 1635. It's at 1620 right now. Again, it'll probably get turned back, and then it could possibly run. Again, I do use hang on, we just saw a rocket. RPHM. All right, good. We are in that stock. I think we're in that stock still, right? RPHM, we are $3 in that one. Ramp, we're at 1. Looking good. Again, you want to take profits liberally at times like these. We're up 16 bucks. Let's keep moving through here. Yesterday we made $159, but that was betting big. Typically don't go that big. It is not a good idea to chase rockets. It's just not. A lot of people like to chase stocks in the morning. Bad idea. It's a very, very bad idea. If you are new to trading, let me save you a lot of money. Do not trade until 1 hour after the bell, until everything settles down. You've got orders from the night before coming in. Lex looks like it wants to run again, but I'm not going for that one. It's already done a head fake to us, and we lost money. ENDP, yes, that is running. ENDP, we are on that one. I like the way it looked. It had not turned completely parabolic, but enough to where we know that you could take a sizable position. Ramp and Reno. Ramp has just gone negative. Don't know why. It's down 1. I'm going to save RPHM. It just does not look. I'm trying to look at this. There's just not enough volume. I'm going to get out of RPHM while I can with $3 profit. Ramp. Just got a bad damn fill on Ramp. A very bad fill, in fact. Indo. I'm going to keep you. Ramp is killing me, though, with the candle. What's the 1 minute saying? It's got 2 down candles. I'm going to have to jump out of Ramp, guys. I do not want to lose money. And it continues to fall. Ah! No. Don't want to go there. Don't want to go there. Ramp. Get me out of Ramp. Where was I in this damn thing? Son of a gun. Where's my trade? All right, there, Ramp. Get me out of that Ramp. It's going down like the fucking Titanic. Seriously, let's go. Give me something else. Give me something else I can move. There's a ton of good grinders out there. We can always jump on those for good alpha today. There was RPHM. It didn't have enough volume for us today. We've got to move through here fairly quickly. I don't understand why there's not more people on YouTube for some reason. Where the guys have all joined. I think I'm having problems on YouTube. That's what's probably going on. In fact, I know that's what's going on because of what happened in the first ENDP. It's still on a mission to go straight up, going parabolic. We'd love to see it. AEHR. Boy, that is a close one. It wants to run. It wants to run. We've got to jump on it. AEHR. We just knew it was going to run. So here we go. Going to go 50 shares on that one. Let's see what the fill is. We're still looking good. ENDP has got a red candle. That little bastard. AEHR, we got a great fill. I'm only up $9. I've got to protect my profits. What is going on? I was up 20 to start. Good God. All right, AHR, don't screw me on that one. You are moving. If you want to move sideways a little bit, that's okay. I can handle that, but I cannot handle a pivot and a pullback. Do not do that to me. I'd like to get above $20 today. We'll see if we can do that or not. Let's move through here even quicker than before, which is very quick. Whoa, what was that ramp? Was it ship again? we'll jump back in. This is why I paper trade, because I would have lost that. We'll jump in, buy. It's already done a head fake, but it's a penny stock, and people will get behind it quick. AEHR just turned back on me. Why is it? How did it happen? Why are you doing this to me, partner? Come on. All right, let's move. This it's going to get blurry here real quick. CNC is back to grinding. EGSC is back to grinding. WISA, which pumped yesterday, looks like it might clear the tower here in just a minute, but it doesn't have a lot of volume, or it didn't have a lot of volume yesterday, so I'm guessing it's the same thing today. When you see less volume, typically means the market's down. We're not seeing that today. I'm just seeing a lot of people, I don't know, have they gone home? Are they still on vacation? I don't know. I'm on vacation next week for the most part, so we'll do YOLO all next week, and then I'm gone on Thursday. So just to let you guys know who like to do the YOLO Hour and follow along at home. I actually get people that watch YOLO Hour after we go off the air on YouTube. It's pretty freaking funny. Understand, if you're still on TikTok, I will take questions after YOLO Hour is up. We got 20 minutes in the session. Again, I will take questions after YOLO Hour. Just letting you boys and girls know. All right, we're back at it. See if I can get y'all a better look right here at the screen and how we play the YOLO. Let's roll out now. Here we go. Boom, boom. All right, we've got looking at, man, a lot of going. Looks like RCAT may want to run. RCAT has done a head fake on us. RETA. All right, this is, if you can see the screen very, very well now, at least you can see what I'm looking at. Maybe if I turn it a little bit more, can I zoom in? All right, there you go. Zoom in. All right, so that is called turning over. It is now directionally bearish, and we are moving. All the ARC funds are directionally sideways. We have BCYC. It did this yesterday. It's got to clear. It cleared, but it didn't went sideways, and it may have a halt. It wants to run though for some reason. Why did it just pump up like that? Very interesting. You know what? Let me take a little bit. BYC, was that one? BYCY? I'll take a little. No, what was that? BCYC. BCYC. That's what it was. Bicycle Therapeutics. We're going to buy just a little bit of that. AEHR has completely effed me. Went the wrong way. We're out of that one. We're up $2. How am I up $2 when I was, oh my God, I was up 20. How did I not continue that? Unbelievable. I'm betting all things on RPHM, which again, it's a winner. I'm going to buy a little bit more in that one. Take 10 more stocks and add to it. AHR can't get off my balance sheet fast enough. Please get off my P&L. All right, sorry. I said balance sheet. I meant P&L. We're going to continue to move through here very quickly. NCNO looked like it was going to be sold off, but now it is lipped up. Gotta love to lip up, right? Hey, if you're looking for sectors to get hot in, sectors to be long in are energy, financials, and commodities. Just letting you know, energy, financials, and commodities. And of course, you know I like that crypto. So I like the sheep. Well, I don't really like the sheep, but I understand the trend analysis on the sheep, right? When it's got whatever it is, it's like 300 quadrillion or whatever it is. Outstanding coins. That's crazy. For a blockchain to even handle that kind of number of coins being traded per day is actually pretty good. All right, looking through here very quickly. RNAS, glad we got out of that one. Lex, glad we got out of that one. It is directly sideways now as well. ENDP, looking, I don't know what it's trying to do. It's looking like it's kind of done a pivot. It hadn't pulled directly back yet, but it is looking like it's going sideways. AEHR may have straightened itself out, but I could not take that risk, so we pulled out of that one. Speaking of that, I got to keep an eye on the P&L. I'm up 25. A bicycle just took off, just like we thought it would. Boom, $21 just like that. I'm taking profits because I need to maintain. And now it's coming back down. Give me out of that. Give me the fill out. Yes, we're up 30 bucks today. Very good day. We're gonna beat. We're not gonna beat tomorrow. Yesterday, but we'll certainly do very, very well today. We're coming down to 17 minutes in the session. ATNF is looking like it wants to go again. I'm not so sure. We had a head fake in that one, and I'm not going to jump back in to ATNF. Just so you know where my head's at, my line of reasoning there. HRTX is completely turned over. If you see it right there. If you're on the TikTok, AYRO grinding up 7%. Great grind. It's now sideways, holding gains though, which is what you want to see. What is the macro doing? The macro is selling off. So watch the sell-offs now. We're going to see a lot of stocks start selling off. Alto is selling off. UAVS is selling off. CERE continues to grind. It's a hard grind sideways. Little bit slightly to the north. BTB is just, thank God we didn't get in that one because it cleared the tower and then it just went directionally sideways, jumping all over the place, swerving like an old 57 truck. ZOM is doing well today. OTLK was doing well. It's now directionally. A lot of people asked me about OTLK yesterday. There you go. You're up 6% going on. It was 7, but it's directionally bearish now. It's turning over. We're moving through here quickly now. FGEN is turning over, up 1%. CLSD is turning over, up 1%. IMH, I don't even know what the hell that thing's doing. It's an outlier today. SR is turning over. HITI, which we were going to trade, it has turned over. Well, it's not turned over, but it's definitely directionally bearish for sure. The same as SPNX. Again, you can see how the macro affects the micro. Clearly, a lot of these stocks are following exactly what the markets are doing. But look, you got to expect this at the end of the day. If your stock's up 2, 3, 5, 8%, you're going to see people take profits. Why? They don't want the overnight risk. In choppy markets like we see now, in all this chop and all this supply that we got to chew through, people are going to take profits when their stocks are up. You can just even look at ARK. Look at the profit taken in ARK. It's slight, but it's still there. MOD was a big stock yesterday. People taking profits there. MSTR, MicroStrategy is up today again because Bitcoin is up. Also, you want to learn the stocks that are the crypto mining stocks. MARA, SOS, MSTR is the best thing you have to a Bitcoin ETF straight up. Tesla was at 800. It's now at 793. If you're wanting to protect some profits there and you're not going to diamond hand that one, you might want to look out and we need to look at that chart, and I'll tell you where it'll fall. AMC has turned up and is directionally bullish now. You people with AMC, which I need to go back up to the top. So it could not clear the tower, and it has done a pivot, and a slight pullback is what we have in that one. So just letting all you people know. Why is this showing me? I've got 350 shares all of a sudden. Those are the preferred shares, but I don't think I was in at the time. All right. CHX now down. RNA, is it going to run? It's got to clear the tower. It's run before. Let me look at my P&L just real quick. 47. That is cause RPH with the low volume. Should I add more to it? Why not? Add another 50 and blow it up. RPHM is headed up. We will continue on that one. I want to go RNA as well. A little RNA. I'm just going to go 10, 10. I don't know if it's going to explode, but if it does, we're going to be there for it. So BYC, what do we got there? Up 18. Got that nice green. I need to follow that up. It's fighting hard. Give me 10 on that one again. We've got a $2,200 position in that one to make 28 bucks. Just so you know, that is how you do it. So you're gonna have to put, whatever it is, 20 grand, and there's 58. We're gonna watch BCYC just move, baby, move. Give me the 60 plus and I'll jump out. Give me the 60 plus here. We're at 105. 130 is my record as of yesterday, and it just went down. Did you just do that to me? Oh my God! It went down $50. All right, that's what happens when you trade heavy. When you trade heavy, you got to take profits. Period. You just have to, right? That's what you're looking. That's exactly how. Okay, that is exactly how you would if you're trading heavy. You go big, $10,000 position. It moves up 1%, 2%, 3%. You take the profit, right? So that would have been, probably could have been $700 easy. Look at LGHL. No, it turned back. It turned back. Little head fake there. Turned back. RNA. We're in it. We are in it. So we'll see what it does. I like to see the turn up because we're seeing a lot of directionally down. We're seeing a lot of sideways. And what has a few grinders still. SLI is off its lows and now grinding up. GBS is going sideways. CEI is maintaining. It is now up 90% in one day. Let the options print, baby. Off the low. Look at that. That is unbelievable. Nice. Even in, I got a CEI call. I'm still down $3, but I'm looking good there though. All right, let's go. You know what? That was a very asymmetric bet. That thing was going to zero or it was going to hit. So why not take a $3? Basically a $3 call. Why not? Very little risk there, and that's what I did. Because I kind of knew that the Reddit boys would take over there, and so that's kind of why I did that. Should have gone bigger. Obviously, if things are starting to go up, you always want to go bigger, but that was not the case today. All right, LEX. Again, we keep talking about it, not moving. Glad we got out. Here's one. AEHR is no. It's at that about 19% is where we got in at, so I cannot take that risk again. WTI is basically turned over. DGLY, what's up? It wanted to run. What did we miss? In 5 minutes, it went up 4%. In 5 minutes, it went up 4%. And that is what you look for when you trade heavy. When you want to day trade, that is what you look for. That's 2, 3, 4%, just like that, and you get out. Boom. You got a $25,000 position. That is what you boys want to look forward to make the big bucks. If you're not trading the options, you can make a lot of money in options. You can also wreck your entire P&L. Just so you know, that's why I go light on options. I'm heavy on common stock because if it goes down 5%, it's very controllable. In an option scenario, not controllable at all. You're locked into that contract. Can you get out? Sure you can, but you're locked in, right? So it's not like you can loosen up and go, from 100 shares down to 50 shares. You can't do it. Now you can add to it, but the premium is probably up if it's on a green stock. All right. That being said, we're moving. We're seeing a lot of, again, directionally down and directionally sideways for the most part. BLDE is still grinding up. We love to see that because that was one of our favorites about a month ago. It was doing everything it needed to do. RCT is down. Twist is down. HTX is turning over. What was that one? BCYC. It's our boy right there. All right, it's turning. So did I get out? I got out of it. So what am I looking at here? What is RPHM is now down 10. I'll take that and get out. I only had a 10 share position in RNA. Just a grinder is all. But you know what? It's grinding up enough to where I'm going to go ahead and keep that one. We're going to go back up here to the top. Start moving through here very quickly. We are 8 minutes till the end of the bell. So at this point, what I tell the guys, since YouTube is screwed up, at this point, what I tell the guys is, what are you going to keep overnight? The ones that are moving that we've called out on the channel, I would bet you 2 or 3 tomorrow you will see. The ones that grind into the grind are up big in the last hour of trading. Many of those you will see tomorrow in pre-market, and that will have continuing to be big because you'll have after hours still buying it, right? Not gonna say that stock's name again. Going sideways, EBSV might be one you want to keep. It's grinding in, and it's been a decent stock, really, from what I can. That's just off the top of my brain. SHIP looks like it's grinding in. It's up 7 today. We've had a lot of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7% up today, which you typically get on days like this. What is the sell-off looking like? Yeah, it's going pretty bad. We were at on Nasdaq, we're at 14,750, and now we've dropped 100 points in the last 2 hours. So kind of the same with the Dow, but the Dow's still up 344. You're up 1%. You're up 1% Nasdaq. So looking good there. All right, PCT going sideways. DGLY might be one you want to look at after hours, see what it's doing, and I bet it could potentially pop tomorrow. VKTX, maybe 1, 2. SNDX, always a fairly good stock with the SNDX. GoGo has just been a beast the last couple of days. Continues to grind up 7 today. And I believe that chart on the GoGo is directionally bullish. So be apprised of that. What else do we have? Yeah. OTLK, again, it's still going sideways, but for the most part, it has turned down some. Looking at CLSD is almost negative, and which we called that before. Ramp went the wrong way. Thank God we got out of that one. Preserved the profits that we had. AMC, what's AMC doing? AMC is up 367. It looks like it's turning up. It's turned up, but it might have gone sideways. CTXR looks like it's going to grind into after hours here. We've got 5 minutes. Still moving here. Maybe we can find one last rocket to play with. SSNT, it looks like it's a rocket, but it's really not. Doesn't have a lot of volume with it. Or it looks like it doesn't today. We'll see. We've gone to the bottom quite a bit. Bicycle, I'm glad we got out. It did pivot. Doesn't look like it did a big pullback. It's still at that 15% mark, almost 16% mark. Maybe we got out too soon. Pack B, Kathy Wood's special on it's a biotech, up 7% today. HBM sideways. CL. No. Here's one you might want to look at. The CLDX grinding in is always a good sign. Again, not financial advice, just off the top of my head. When it grinds in like that with a good Reddit stock, it's potentially do good. All right, now here's the thing. So this is card off. CRDF is card off oncology, one of Kathy Wood's top 10 stocks. I do not know why it would be down today unless they got turned like one of their. It's a biotech. It's gene editing, I believe. Could be wrong about that, but typically that stock is up when all the other biotechs are up, and they are up. SOS just went positive. That's a crypto mining stock. And what else do we have here? What else? We're moving here. REPL wants to move up in its old age. Look here. Again, another biotech. Man, its volume's off too. Very, very interesting. RDUS, again, maybe one you want to keep overnight or watch. Let's just say that again, not financial advice, but I would definitely watch RDUS just because of what it did the last hour here. And again, we see a lot of AES is turning over. It's had a good day, but it's now only up 3. Walker, what's the word, brother? Yeah, I had trouble with the YouTube, brother. So yeah, there's not a whole lot of people here today, and we are turning into the last 3 minutes of YOLO Hour. Just so you know, Walker, I'm up $85. Feeling good about that. It's not close to your $2,500 record, but for me, that's my second best day. So, but my options are printing big time. We got crude, FCX printed out good today. I did a week call on FCX, was up 168% this morning. I took it, the profit, and I'm glad I did. So FCX, that's Freeport Mac Monroe. And yeah, they mine the copper, and I thought that was going to be a big play. I'm up in USL with my couple calls there, and CEI. It's not. I went ahead and did a $3 call with it. I am even on that one. I got back to even, which is crazy to think about. After it went down 50. So ENDP is grinding up, guys. If we're on YouTube. Walker, or sorry, we're on TikTok too, Walker, just so you know. So I've really been talking to those guys. I'll take questions afterwards. The 194 that you see on my screen, that's all options. So look at ASPU trying to make a last ditch run up. EBSB, we were in this one. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, EBSB may be one to watch after hours, right? We got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. I'll close out my last position. RNA did not do what I thought it was. It is directionally sideways. We'll close that. We'll take all our 10 shares and say thank you very much and get out with 60 cents. And we will end the day $86 up in 1 hour, just trading the FOMO. You love to see it. Your TikTok not working right now. Is it not working? I see it. It looks like it's working. It was working. Is TikTok working, guys? I got questions. I just don't know how long back it was, though. The live TikTok is not working. It looks like it's working on this side. I'm getting a little message. Yes, somebody just joined, and I'm about to take questions from them anyway. So, oh yeah, we just went dark. So guys, let me check on my. I want to check on the options that I have really quick. Here, let me just check my options really quick. I've got SB, the $5 call at the October 15th. SB is a tanker stock. I'm up 15% there. CEI, I cannot believe I'm even up at all. Right? It's back good. You're seeing me now. CEI, I did a asymmetrical trade there, guys. It's a $3 call on November 19th. It looks like it's up 5%. I'm up 4% in my other SB call, but here's where I'm getting big. USL, which is the crude stocks, is where I'm up big. Let me get off YouTube here. Walker, thank you very much for joining. I'm going to jump off YouTube and stay on TikTok, brother. Thanks, sir. I'll see you tomorrow. Watch a